Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Today, video Wing Chun Kung Fu for beginning, step by step. Let's start some hand technique and your kick technique with your steps. So let's start. The first move, 二字前仰马. You both toes go outside and your both heel also go outside to bend your knee and make your hand on the top. This is called the 二字前仰马. So 二字前仰马 whole weight will be the center to stay solid and strong. But for Wing Chun Kung Fu also you have to move around. So once you enter your situation with a fight, you must be moving left to right, front and back. So you both toes turning this side attack called the 转马 turning stances. You both toes turning this side and turning this side. You can with attack. You can go attack and go attack. This is called the 转马 turning movement. Now we talk about the side brace. Side brace is you transfer left to right and right to left. 二字前仰马 You go step, you transfer to punch, and you punch again, and you transfer. So step. It's a little different with this 转马 twisting. 转马 can be inside brace. When someone punches you inside this punch, you will go blocking and punch. That's how 转马 is. And also you can punch this way. You go and you 转马 punch. So blocking. But if the punch is coming outside of you, and you should to make that step. Punch. You step and punch. And step punch. When the punch comes this side, and you go blocking and punch. And punch right this side, blocking and punch. With the side stances, if you're turning, go to this way, become 后马, means back press. So this way, you fight your target right this way. And you step forward, this is called 前马. 前马 is a forward stances. So forward stances, more for attack, and you step back and you follow. You step back, you follow. It's called 后马. It's the back presses, more for defense. Mostly we will be go straight punch with attack, like this way. So once you go 后马, mostly your defense. You use 绑手 or 捆手. Let's talk about 捆手. 捆 in Chinese word like a fence, just blocking and make you safe inside. So this is 捆手. So 捆手 is a defense movement. So you go boom, block. So they can to defense you, but also you can attack movement. Your left hand right here and you push and you can attack and you can be elbow and you can go punch again. One more step, the big step. So once you go 前马 attack by this way, then you make a big step with your whole power. The big step mostly we use in real situation. So you're already creating a timing. You know you got to win with the big step and power attack to finish the game. That's how you use for a big step. And someone asked me if we use the 后马, we step back and step back. So more for defense. Can we also use this for attack with 后马? Actually, yes. That's a good question. So for the 后马, once you go back, you can blocking on the top, 绑手. Also you can blocking down. Then that's the chance. Also you can throw an elbow, attack to the face. And you got change the elbow to attack forward. And you can punch again. Then you can pump. If you follow my video in lesson 1 of Wing Chun Kung Fu for beginning, so we start with a 日字冲拳. You come back and punch again. For 日字冲拳 or for any hand technique like 扶手 or 枕手, everything coming from the center. So your both hand coming to center and you go and come back in and come back and you go 推掌 and come back. This is good for real combine? Someone also asked me. That's also a good question to answer. So listen up. I believe for real comeback, you have to change your technique. You have to follow the situation and follow your target, right? So the punch, once you level up and your punch really just can from the side and make straight, go to center, and you come back. And this is a saving time. Also, this is good for beginner to understand the directions, the line to go. Very important to stay in center because Wing Chun Kung Fu really just about the close comeback and the line is really important. So is Wing Chun also have some curve punch like hook or uppercut? And their answer is yes. For example, we have uppercut punch go this way, and also you can attack back this way, and you can go back to straight line. So this is uppercut. Wing Chun Kung Fu, the 踩手 is the blocking movement and lock movement. So blocking and lock. And you can attack with the kick and punch. Let's start some Kung Fu kicks. The Wing Chun kicks, the strongest part of your body is the heel. The heel is right here. Right. The heel is the strongest part in your body. You're using a lot. When you walk, you do everything you needed to use heel, unless you sleep, right? Okay, so the heel kick is the common kick in the Wing Chun Kung Fu. So mostly they use 摊手 with a heel kick. You kick by your heel, right? This part is very strong and tough. So you go and quick and come back quick. Short, strong, effective. Another technique, heel kick. So the heel kick with 盘马. So what this move used for? Once you throw a heel kick, you quick come back. This is blocking movement. If someone kick you, block right this way, and quick 后马 punch, get ready and attack and go defense, attack, kick, punch, attack, attack. Now we talk about Sidekick. Sidekick is mostly used with so block and lock and go kick. So between the Sidekick and heel kick, I believe the Sidekick have a much longer distance and more power. The Sidekick is just like the big step. Quick and attack. So once you use your Sidekick, it's the timing you can win the game. For example, you can go block, and you go attack, you go block, and you go attack, and block, you go attack, punch, and you go heel kick, landing, and attack, and there is a chance, and turning, boom, make a Sidekick. So you can use the heel kick and Sidekick together. So once you go heel kick, and quick turning, and go Sidekick, and you go attack. In traditional Wing Chun Kung Fu, and people say 不过腰, means you cannot kick above your waist. So all kicks you go, and so this is how more effective because it's safe. Because you kick too high, people can easy to grabbing, or because the timing thing, the style of Wing Chun. But there is a question. So if someone's hands right here, ready to grabbing you, and you kick to exactly the place they're grabbing you, you still get a problem. So can we kick a little higher if there is a chance to kick someone's chest right here? The answer for me is yes. Why not? So this way, Bruce Lee famous kick is his Sidekick. What Kung Fu style he used. But in the real fight, who cares what Kung Fu style you use? More effective is the king. Let's quickly review what we're learning today. For basics, it's your hand from center and come back. And center and come back. Once you pass the beginning level, you can straight go to center and come back. Straight go center and come back. And that is fun. We're also learning 二字前仰马 and 转马, 后马, 前马, 退马. 转马 more use inside blocking. Someone punch inside blocking, punch back, blocking, punch back. And also we're learning 上步 attack. 上步 attack, more for outside braces. So if someone punches you straight, you go outside and attack. You go outside and attack. And also we're learning the big step, more for you to end the fight. The big steps. The steps is very important. Because even you have a great hand technique, if your steps is slow, doesn't spur your power, and you cannot win the game. With the punches, That's the same rhythm. If you punch go really quick, but your feet slow, and you slow down everything of your body parts, right? So you must be follow the same rhythm. Also, we're learning the heel kick, tensile, heel kick. And also we're learning the sidekick. That's all for today, my friend. Hope you enjoyed the video. I love you all. I see you in the next video.